crushed him.
Just got dusted.
Good morning, everyone. A little beat up here. I've been living in my camper alone for the last 4 days, and in total, I think I've been sleeping in this for 7 days. I'm going a little bit insane. I'm cooking breakfast right now, getting ready to go pigeon hunting. It's kind of awesome, but it's a little bit lonely. Whenever I'm by myself for like over a week, I start going a little bit insane. Like normally, I am insane, but when you put me in a shack, camping by myself, on the road by myself for a week or more, I go a little bit crazy. But I'm just whipping up some eggs right now and getting ready to go hopefully shoot a pigeon with the bow and arrow. We did a video yesterday, just kind of an afternoon, evening scout slash hunt. We got 2 pigeons down with the bow and we hit another. If you guys haven't checked that one out, that's the video I posted before this one. And today we're going out a little bit earlier in the morning and hopefully we can get some more action today. But I'm gonna eat my 3 eggs and 1 cup of egg whites. That's the old beat up breakfast recently. And I'm gonna pack up the rest of my gear and get the heck out of here.
I just got dusted.
All right, I just pulled up to the spot and I'm getting my gear ready. And I was gonna sit up by the water tank today. In the last video, if you guys saw that one, we were sitting here by this oil rig that's right next to the truck, and to my surprise these pigeons were just landing right next to the truck and the oil rig, eating gravel and whatever else is sitting out here. And I was like, well, the wind's a little different today, I don't know if we can get away with that. And then I start putting some arrowheads together on the tailgate and I just had pigeons literally landing 10 yards from me. So I don't think we really need to go by the water tanks. I'll probably just set up right here by the truck and see if we can't make it work right here again. But it's a pretty good sign that they're already landing that close. Also, you guys ask about the bow and arrow setup on almost every video. There's someone new asking. This is our arrow setup. These are the Slockmaster Flu arrows. This is what I use in the duck hunting videos and also today when we're pigeon hunting. And then I have them tipped with a Headhunter broadhead, also from slockmaster.com. And if you guys would like to order any of these products to go do some bow hunting like this yourself, head on over to slockmaster.com and use code BW10 to save yourself a little bit of money on anything on the website over there. But I'm gonna get some more of these broadheads put together so we are ready to start flinging arrows, and then throw a couple of our pigeons out from yesterday as decoys, and hopefully we can get some action today. We're just gonna set up camp in this little corner of shade right here. And it's not much cover, but I think we're gonna be totally fine this morning, especially with how dumb they seemed to be yesterday and already this morning. But there's 2 cattle water tanks up by the fence up there. And I'm not sure if you guys can see right now, probably not, but there's pigeons everywhere. There's probably 150 pigeons by those water tanks. And that's where they wanted to be sitting yesterday as well. But I'm gonna try to pull them over here and leave them alone up there for now. Look at this. Oh my, perfect slock right there. That's a perfect slock. Are you kidding me? All right, shot number 1. I'm gonna have to get dialed in here. These things are coming in pretty dang nice already. This is gonna be good. We're gonna smoke one here. One don't know how lucky he was. That was close. All right, we got our first pigeon down of the morning. That was a perfect shot. I think we've only fired about 5 shots or so. These things are coming in perfect for bow range though. These things are 10 to maximum 20-yard shots. These things have been coming in. Even with the wind at our face, it's not ideal how the wind direction is, but these pigeons just come in and they turn just absolutely perfect for us to get a good shot. And I'm starting to get closer and more dialed in. It's tough switching bows. I've been shooting my old bow for, you know, the whole season last year at ducks and everything. So shooting this new bow is definitely challenging to get the hang of, but I think once I get it down, I'll be able to shoot it just as good. So we got one down this morning with under 10 shots, and hey, getting a pigeon out of the air with that little of shots, that's a good morning already. I didn't even know which one to freaking shoot at. There were so many. Well, that one's got a few less tail feathers. He was an inch away from going down, but that one's flying away. Ooh, feathers off another one? We're getting close to him today. You can't complain when you're hitting. This has been an exciting morning so far. Like I was saying before, there's 2 cattle water tanks up top about 150 yards from us, and the pigeons will all congregate there. There's probably a minimum of 50 there at all times, and then there will be these random flocks of pigeons that are flying over that all land by them, and then we get some straggler pigeons that will get up and circle around, and that's when we're pulling our birds in, and it seems to be working pretty well so far. Got him. Another one down, baby. We're on him now. All right, pigeon number 2 down. Another good shot. Unfortunately, my back camera that's on the tripod overheated. Dang thing, but we still got it on the head cam, luckily. And I don't know, we're still at like, I think 12 shots maybe, something like that. 12 arrows flung this morning only. We already got 2 pigeons on the ground. This is going really well. Also, I know I told you guys in the last video, but Dive Bomb Industries just came out with a new line of everyday pants. I got a pair of the coaster pants on right now. I'm being completely honest with you guys. These are the most comfortable pants that I personally own and have tried on. So if you guys are in the market for a new pair of pants, head on over to divebombindustries.com and check these things out. Oh, right past him. Right past him, and I'm out of arrows. Crap. Alright, it's currently 11 o'clock in the morning. We've been at it for about an hour and a half or an hour and 45 minutes. And I'm getting a little bored, a little impatient. So I'm going to take a walk up by the water tanks. It is starting to get a little bit hot out here, and I think these pigeons are gonna keep wanting to hang out by that water. That's been a hot spot yesterday and so far this morning. We're gonna take a walk, see what it looks like up there. Our wind is switching and it'll be pretty good up by the water tanks, I'm guessing. The only problem up there is we don't really have a good hiding spot. We're just gonna have to sit right along the fence, and I'm not sure how that's gonna work for us. But I'm gonna pack some of these pigeons up, take a walk up there, and we're gonna try a different spot. All right, here's our old trusty water tanks, where all the pigeons have been coming to get a drink. Our water tank that's full of water is right down there, and then we got this other old little tank here that has no water in it, just that little shrub in there. And I got a nice little concrete pad, and I kind of tucked my stuff in the corner there behind the tank. We put our pigeons out there and we'll see what happens. Either they're gonna come in and bust me right here and not get close enough, and then we'll just move back down where we were earlier, or this could work really well since this is where the pigeons want to be, and we could have a heyday of arrow slinging here. Well, that was a good start, I would say. I missed, but good start for pigeons coming in. Dang, this is crazy. The first couple pigeons came in pretty good. We got 2 shots off so far, and then all the rest of them, they're just sitting on the barn and nothing else will really come over here. We have one come over every like 5 minutes and circle above us, and they know that I'm here. It's crazy. They've been stacked in here just 24/7, and then as soon as I sit here, they don't really want anything to do with it. They know something's going on. We might have to move back down to the OG spot. That spot worked pretty darn good for us, and let them just get comfortable in here, and then the stragglers that get up and circle around will come into us, because us up here, we're scaring them away and nothing else is coming in. Before, when we had all the pigeons sitting here, there was so many live pigeons up here that it was pulling random new pigeons in that were just flying over, and some of those ones would actually break off and come into us down below. So I think we're hurting ourselves being up here and scaring all the pigeons out of the water tank than we are to just let them build up again and feel comfortable up here, and then just pull them as they fly around and more come in. Bro. Talk about caught with your pants down. Why is this a reoccurring thing on the channel? Why is B-Dub always getting caught with his pants down? I was just gonna tell you guys, I haven't seen anything in like an hour. It got hot. It's 12:30 right now, and the sun is just beating down. I'm trying to find any shade I can around here. And the pigeons, they're hiding out right now. Of course, as soon as I open a granola bar, 2 pigeons come right in 15 feet from me. Unreal, dude. This is what John Layman would do with this. Now that was a lucky pigeon. All right, brothers, it's 3:38 right now. I've literally been sitting here sweating my butt off. I left my shorts in the camper. I don't have any shorts in my truck, so I'm rocking the pants. Luckily, these are somewhat lightweight. They're not a very heavy pant, so I have been pretty comfortable, but at the end of the day, they're still pants. And check this out. Oh yeah, here we go. It's on. It's on like Donkey Kong, baby. This is about when I arrived yesterday and pigeons started flying back towards town from wherever the heck they're sitting at during the day. They're coming back in water, coming to me, and that was the first flock that's taken that flight path since all day. So hopefully the action's about to start for us and we can knock a few down. Those ones got lucky. Crushed him. Now that's how you shoot a pigeon out of there with the bow and arrow, baby. B-dub style, yeah! Ow, mother dude. Seriously? Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Ow. Ow. Don't do that, brother. Ow. Brother, ooh. Brother, ooh. Dude, that was the most beat up thing that's ever happened to me, brother. Ow. Alright, you gotta watch them limbs on this sucker when it's at full draw. I think I just ruined my coaster pants. Dive Bomb, if you're watching this, I need a new pair. I just got limbs slapped straight in my knee. Ow, dude. You know that thing hit hard, too, to leave that mark. Oh. Dude. That did not just happen. Whew. I'm surprised that's the first time that happened today. I know none of you at home are surprised, though. That's like so classic, something for that to happen to me. Oh, that's gonna be a little bruised. Slapped me right there in the old knee. Good, B-dub, good. No! I blew my bow up by hitting myself in the knee. My freaking cable down here jumped off. I'm like, why won't it pull back when I went to shoot at that pigeon? Dang it, dude. It's all fun and games till it found out it actually broke. Oh, it came off of both. Crap, dude. That sucks. This is why you always bring a backup bow with you. I don't have time to figure that out. There's other pigeons trying to land in here. So I grabbed the OG Ripper on the channel. And I'm gonna see if I can still shoot this thing now. Now I'm switching back bows again. But I'm gonna shoot this the rest of the evening and I'll fix that. It looks like it's a pretty easy fix. I just gotta take some stuff apart. So I'll get that bow fixed in a little while here. Oh gosh. Clip this wing. This is like a madhouse right now. You can't even focus. Gotta lock in. Lock in, B-dub, lock in. right through the middle of them. Right through the middle of them. All right, it's getting wild right now. All right, there's new groups of pigeons everywhere coming. This is nuts. Headshot. Headshot, another one down. Fourth pigeon of the day with the bow. All out of the air, baby. Oh my gosh, dude, this is nuts. This is nuts, you guys. I have like no arrows left and there are pigeons all over coming. This is the prime time. And I need to get arrows bad. All right, that's pigeon number, I believe that's pigeon number 4 today, out of the air with the bow, and stuff's starting to get crazy. I just did a quick arrow pickup, grabbed our pigeon, and we're gonna get sat back down and hopefully have a little more action here. This is awesome. Blew feathers out of them, but apparently it wasn't enough. We must have hit him just in the back. Ooh, what is going on here? Come back. Come back. That's what these pigeons do. Wherever they come from back towards town, they fly right on the deck. Ground shot. All right, pigeon number 5 of the day. We are smoking them. We're back on with the old bow. If you guys are enjoying the bow pigeon hunting, drop a like and a comment down below for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. We got a lot more bow hunting content coming this year, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. We've been out here all day working our butts off to get some of these suckers, and they're finally starting to fly again. This is exciting. Right under him, and I mean right under him. Another one down. Also, you guys, we got these new Bottomland beat up patch hats coming soon to the website, so stay tuned for that. We have some old stock from our last hat drop still on the website. If you guys want to grab you one of those, head on over to bwfilms.shop and pick you one up. But this is crazy. We're smoking them now. That was another close one there. Real close. Tap that one's wing. I mean, we are on them right now. Oh, feathers out of that one? Are you serious? We just tapped the first one. Feathers out of the bottom of that one. Just a fingernail away from dropping these things, man. We are on them, but just not on them enough. I better run and do an arrow pickup before a big group comes again. This is freaking sweet, man. Oh, he's going down. Another one down. Oh, another one down. Right through his wing feathers again. All right, we got another sailor down. Ooh, he's full of food too. These things have all been coming back from getting a hefty meal from somewhere. And they all come back and get a drink, and then some check me out. And this one shouldn't have checked me out. I think we ended up with, this is number 6 or 7. 7 pigeons I think we got today out of the air with the bow, give or take maybe 1 or 2. And that was freaking awesome. But I'm gonna get packed up. I'm gonna head on out of here. I am beat from sitting out here. We've been hunting for 11 hours at this point. 11 hours we've been sitting out here. And I'm ready to go back, shower, grab some food, make a bite to eat, and hit the hay and get some rest. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this archery pigeon hunting video. I know I enjoyed filming it. We'll see y'all on the next one. See ya!